Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be taking a look at what is hashflow, how you can actually use hashflow. So let's get into it. First, you need to know what is hashflow. Hashflow is a decentralized exchange that focusing on interoperability, zero slippage, and the MEV protected trades, and it allows traders to trade any assets or any chain in seconds by connecting their wallets. It's a multiple chain DEX that operates on Ethereum, BNP chain, Polygon, Optimism, and Arbitrum. And unlike many other exchanges, Hashflow charges no commission and execute all the trades at a displayed price. And according to the project, users are not bothered by slippage or minor extractable value from running their trades and executing them at worst prices. So Hashflow engages users with a hash words, a gamified story words driven DEO where you can stake tokens, complete quests, and earn HFT and unique NFT in the process. And the Hashflow teams and investor Hashflow was launched by the CEO Warren Coman, a San Francisco-based blockchain disruptor who previously worked for the German Aerospace Center. He deferred his PhD in aeronautics and astronaut at Stanford University. He was lost by Warren Kumar, basically. It's an Indian. And Hashflow closed a series of funding round in July 2022, raising 25 million from Jump Crypto, Wintermute, Trading Electric Capital, Dragonfly Capital Partners, and Balaji Sarvajan. And other investors include Coinbase Venture, Kraken Venture, Marable Dimonars, and Jason Choi. And how does Hashflow work? Basically, Hashflow emphasizes that it takes a different approach from regular decentralized exchange that rely on an automated market maker. And the exchange stress AAM are capital efficient and efficient, routinely found to like sandwiches attack, and they cannot price on non-spot assets. Instead of the hash flow employs approach that is called a request for code RFQ. And RFQ, professional market makers manage liquidity pools and liquidity providers that enjoy previously unknown efficiency and security. In particular, exchange move pricing of chains it allow them to feed in data like historic assets, prices, and volatility, and this leads to more efficiently prices assets and consequently to the better trading experience for user. Most precisely, user benefit from the pricing, from the zero slippage, MEV resistance, and brightness, and much more. Hashflow stresses that is across 10 swap don't require swap as access to take a smart contract. So we're gonna talk about it later. Let's simply get into it. How does that work? So simply you can go on Google and just simply click on hashflow.com. You will see a landing page like this is already here. The future of trading begins here. You're gonna go with launch app and you're gonna go the red docs. We're gonna go with the red docs. We're gonna read all these things first, then we go ahead. So you will see a total worth of 10 billion plus total volume of Ethereum, Polygon, BNP Chain, Arbitrum, Avalanche, and Optimism. These are the total worth of that platform. And just trade now BS. BS means the back send it from the with no deposit. Just simply connect your wallet and start trading. There's no registration, no deposit, no commission, no surprises. Crypto exchange can charge up to 4% in commission with 0% charge. And how all the hash flow codes are executed at a display price, what you see and what you get. So trade across chain seamlessly. Swap assets never lay across the chain within a minute. No bridges, no haggle. We're gonna go with the start trading. Let's simply go with that. Our size is size. Trade in size and get the most value for you, but no slippage for MEV front running. And if you go with the join the hardware and earn rewards, you simply go with the shape and the future of the protocols by joining Hashflow gamified storyboards that the hash shares stick accounts, complete quests, and earn alpha tokens one on a kind NFT. You will see it's very unnecessary. Backed by Jump, Wintermute, Multimeter. This is a different company that's backed by this platform. Okay, I got you. Where we could go with that. So you're gonna go to the launch app, And once you launch app, you will be able to use that app. You're gonna go with that platform. Basically it's very good from a decentralized extent, that focusing on interoperability and they're connecting their wallets. The best part of this blockchain, the best of this hashflow.com, is that the hashflow platform is, there is no risk, there is zero charge of that. So basically it's a better version of all these platforms. So you're gonna go with that platform. And if you like that video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks so much. Have a good day.